Okay, welcome back to the Gemdo YouTube channel. I would like to show you how you can migrate your old project to the new project, right? So there are few way to migrate your project. So for example, you have I have here Unreal 4.27. So if I go to this one, uh, I have old project. This one is abandoned cafe. So right here, so you can just right click and then asset action, and then you can migrate. So when you click migrate, all the dependency will migrate it. Okay, so just save, select it, and then you can save it, and after that so okay, and then you have to choose the location. So the location will only be the project directory. You don't have to mention you don't have to create the folder. So just mention, for example, just content, and then just select folder, and that's it. Okay, so there you go. So as you can see right here, the asset already exists, location D, and then I will just yes all, like that. So how about bulk migration? So to do bulk migration, you can just go here and then do migrate again, right there, right click. So I will just cancel first. So right here, right click, and then choose migrate, and then okay, right? So and then after okay, you have to specify the yes all, and that's it. So if I go to my project there you go. So right here we have already get our migrated. The problem is, if we go to our migrated asset from the old project, from the Unreal 4.27, if we go to map, and right here we cannot see the level that we have in our old project in here. So abandon, if we go to the map right here, we have this one. So I already create the migrate in here. So how can you make the migrate? So just force to delete. There you go. Right here we have asset open right here, and let's go just choose the mask, all the masks, the actor right here. So and then after that, go to level. If you don't see the level, you just need to go to window and select the level in here. Then after that, you go here and then create level. Let's name this one to cafe migrated level. So let's put it inside our content map. This one has to be gym, right? Sorry, it has to be gym, because I think this one, let me check again first. Asset, yes, it has to be gym. So create, and then go choose the map, gym. So right here, gym migrated, and then just save it. There you go, we already created. So right here, what next you have to do is just right click, or don't forget to save this one, or you can just save all, save selected, and we done. See right here, just select asset action, and then migrate. So okay, and then after that you go to the new version of your project. So mine is in here. I have Unreal, and I have film, slum, shanty, and then content, and then Colby, and then right here as a gym, select here, and then just yes. So that's it about migrating the asset. So you can start migrating one asset perhaps, or you can do like bulk migrating. And after you bulk migrating, if you want to migrate also the level, one thing that you have to consider is you don't have to migrate the like lighting and other thing that has been like perhaps deprecated, because that is the old version of Unreal project. So just migrate or select the actor for the masses. Okay, so if we go to the migrated level, I already like tweaking a bit and change the name of the level. So if we go to this one, to the map, this one is the coffee shop and the gym. So right here we have two map already, as you can see. And if we open this one, so it's already migrated, as you can see. And we use the new lighting. The thing that we migrate is only the level and all the masses and the material, but the lighting and other texture will be upgraded into new version of Unreal 5.3. So let's take a look the other level. So this one is the other level, which is the abandoned cafe. So as you can see, everything is already migrated. So yeah, so we already success to migrate our old project to our new project. That's it for now. Have a great one. Bye bye in the next tutorial.